Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, my people in which part of the world on a day. Some of you might have recalled that a few weeks ago I shared a video of the collapsed bridge in my district of Pedro River. Despite several attempts to bring attention to this matter through various media outlets, our efforts went unanswered. On October the 11th, TVJ finally covered the story, and what I heard broke my heart. The NWA, which is the National Works Agency, confirmed that the bridge had been ordered closed several years ago. But yet, no action was taken to repair or replace the bridge during all these years. Even more troubling, the NWA communications manager, Mr. Stephen Shaw, stated that due to financial constraints, they are unable to carry out repairs. Now, the NWA's mission is to develop safe, reliable, and quality roads for all Jamaicans. The situation is not only disgraceful, it is unacceptable. What are the commuters, the farmers, the children, and the entire Pedro River district supposed to do now? Pedro River needs help immediately. My people, I urge you to share this message and raise awareness about this issue. Our district cannot be forgotten.
An urgent call this evening for a dangerous bridge in Pedro River on the Clarendon-St. Anne border to be fixed as it's threatening lives and livelihood. Sandy Williams reports.
People suffering great. Both commuters, farmers, business people are suffering.
82-year-old Claude Smith could not hold back his emotions over this collapsed bridge in Pedro River, a community on the border of St. Anne and Clarendon. The situation has been a nightmare not only for motorists, but residents as well. Children are no exception.
It's difficult on the children them to cross the road, number one, and to pay the toll fee. Because some children going way to CC, Clarendon College, some going front court eye, back and forth. So in order for we reach a college, we have to take the two different vehicles and it costs several because it's $700.
According to the people, the bridge is the main route connecting several communities in the neighboring parish. But they are now forced to use a taxing detour, which is more than an hour long.
Like how this cut out travel from Kells to go up Tate, go Matney, come back around Fort George and drop out back down at St. Anne and Concord. We go Claremont direction, St. Anne's Bay. It's rough.
If you go around the other, if you go around Fort George, it's very bad.
For farmers, the journey across the bridge to sell their produce has turned into a scene of chaos.
When the produce ready and we need to deliver it to the Eagle, we have to carry from a couple chain around the road there. So my vehicle is here, so I have to carry come and take it further around Clarendon to the Eagle of them.
Kellits is 3 miles from here, so where the business people there. And we have to go to Kellits to get fertilizer and seed and all them something. Anything for farming, at Kellits we have to go, right? We can't reach there now because there are 2 different taxis we have to take. 2 different taxis. And it costs much.
Andre Mackenzie could not bear to watch children and the elderly risk their lives to get on either side of the bridge, and so he took action. To provide some level of safety, Mr. Mackenzie created a barrier on the threatening side of the bridge using motor vehicle tires.
I just came up with the idea one day and said, right, I'm going to look some tires and be the fence block off all the here, so because as I can see down there, river running, water running, it can be any dangerous for children, as I said, all the elder people said.
In the meantime, the residents are calling for a permanent fix to the problem.
The little piece of part where we are working on, anything can happen. Because if the little young baby, me have a 3-year-old grandson, and I have to carry him across the bridge. I don't know when it will happen that the little next piece, I got tear down upon we.
If anybody takes sick, over upon the side in Clarendon, and if you go St. Anne's Bay Hospital, that's the main hospital down here, a problem. People are going dead, baby mother pregnant, and a baby, a problem same way.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.
Now, according to the National Works Agency, NWA, the bridge was ordered closed several years ago. Communications manager at the NWA, Stephen Shaw, said the dilapidated structure remains closed and should not be used. He explains that due to financial constraints, the NWA is unable to carry out repairs.